Hello Karn, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2015 Honda VT1300CRF. This is the name of the model is Stateline and has 1,214 miles. And the price is $9,888 plus GST and licenses. This motorcycle is being reduced the price to move on our inventory. It's still like brand new, haven't been breaking yet. Everything is in stock. Honda pipes, and most important, this bike is available at this time. If you want me to secure it, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.